This segment covers the operation, adjustment, and cleaning of Thermo-Tech's single and double hung windows. With single hung windows, the bottom sash slides up and down within the side tracks and can be locked in a closed position with a center cam lock. With double hung windows, both the top and bottom sashes are movable and can be set to open and closed positions. When moving the sash, be sure to use two hands for smooth, even movement. Don't apply any inward or outward pressure, which may adversely affect the way Thermo-Tech's inner lock lines up with the sash. When locking the window, be sure the lock is aligned, and then rotate the cam into the keeper. When opened, Thermo-Tech single and double hung windows are meant to provide ventilation. Never let children near an open window without supervision. The sashes on Thermo-Tech single and double hung windows can be easily removed and installed from the interior. For the bottom sash, open the lock and raise it in an open position. Retract the inner latches and tilt the sash inward, letting it rest on the interior windowsill. For the top sash, begin by lowering its position. Then retract the inner latches one at a time, and then pull the sash past the weather stripping. If you want to completely remove the sash, hold it in a horizontal position, then gently raise up one side until the pivot pin disengages from the track. Then carefully lift the sash up and remove. When the sashes are removed, it's a good time to inspect the weather stripping for wear or damage. If the weather stripping needs to be replaced, simply pull it out and then cut a new strip to length and press it into place. To install the sash, just reverse the order of the removal process. Begin by holding the sash at an angle, and then insert the pivot pins into the side tracks. Bring the sash to a completely horizontal position, and then carefully lift it back into place. To remove the screen from a double hung window, slide the top sash down and pull the screen's retaining pins inward. Then slide the bottom sash up and pull the retaining pins inward. Push the screen outward and draw it in through the bottom sash opening. To install a screen in a double hung window, start by positioning it in place with the warning label at the bottom. With the screen in place, pull the lower retaining pins inward and then push them into place so the bottom of the screen is secure. Repeat the process with the upper retaining pins. With single hung windows, the top sash is stationary, so only a half screen is provided. Lift up the sash, pull the screen's retaining pins inward, and then push the screen outward. For the screen install of single hung windows, you begin by positioning the screen with the warning label at the bottom. Then slide the top of the screen into the upper groove. Pull the retaining pins, secure the bottom of the screen, and push the retaining pins back in. Cleaning Thermo-Tech single and double hung windows is easily accomplished with standard household glass cleaner. With double hung windows, both interior and exterior surfaces can be easily reached with the sashes tilted inward. The exterior surface of a single hung window's top sash is cleaned from the outside only. Use extreme caution when performing any outside activity. With either the single hung or double hung window, vacuum any debris from the track for smooth sash movement. Use a non-abrasive detergent and water to wash the vinyl parts of the window. Screens can be cleaned with mild detergent and water. To avoid damage, fully support the screen material as you wash. Screens are designed for reasonable pest control. They will not support the weight of a person of any size, so do not let children near an open window without supervision. With proper use, adjustment, and cleaning, Thermo-Tech single hung and double hung windows will perform well for years to come.